welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a crystal unboxing. So I had to do some new stock for my Etsy shop. So I ordered a box of crystals, and I thought, because I love crystals and hopefully you do too, I'm very intrigued on like the looks and things, and I just always get so excited to unbox crystals. I received the box yesterday and it was the hardest thing not to open it, and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning and I just have to film it. So I'm gonna open it with you. I'm going to turn my camera a little bit down so you can see it properly, what is going on my table, and we're gonna open it together. Okay, here it is. So I don't know how, like, you kind of have my cat head cut off the picture, but that's the best I can do as I live in a really small flat and I can't go further, or yeah. So this is the box. I've got some scissors with me because it's quite hard to, they always package it really well. Don't even know where to start, to be honest. Oh, there. So I ordered a lot of crystals for my shop. Okay, so this is the receipt and everything. Yeah, it's always so exciting to do. I don't know if it's exciting for you as well, but I just love opening crystals. It's just, you just, like, you kind of know what you get, but you don't, because, like, I never, this is hard. So some places do like live sales where you can actually like pick the crystal and stuff like that, but I don't really do that because it's normally they're like very expensive crystals, or like they're the bigger crystals, and I do sell little starter packs and jewelry and things like that. So like I'm gonna literally like just throw it off my table with my coffee. I guess I didn't think that through. They just package it so well that you can't even get into the box. And then I should put up the SpongeBob like filter is like 10 hours later.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Here we go. It's just a fight to get into. Oh my god, I think I should move that coffee because I'm going to definitely ruin everything. Imagine if it goes. I've got like a cream carpet, so there's a lot of papers in it. I'll show you the top. So this is how it looks from the top. It looks like a pile of rubbish, but it's as a good sign because they gave me some hand sanitizer. That is cute. That is for free, I guess. I have not ordered that. Okay, first one. I might just put them out here because they are packaged in this paper one by one. So I think I take all of them out and then I get rid of the box. Oh, good. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't think I even need the scissors because they package it really like well, but not like, yeah, the outside of the box is quite hard to get into, but that is really it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the smallest one and then put the big ones here. It looks like I'm packing some like meat or something. Very first package will contain some Shiva lingams, I think. Yes, some Shiva lingams. I think I ordered 2. Did I? Yeah, I have this stone myself as well. So Shiva lingams are really good for something called Kundalini energy. So you basically is a meditation, and they say that like Kundalini energy is like working through your chakras, and it's amazing. Yeah, I love Shiva lingams. It's a very pretty one. I should have another one somewhere. Yes, that's the obsidian. This is the other Shiva lingams, I think. Yeah, so they look a little bit different. As you can see, this one got horizontal striping and this one got like a half-half kind of thing. So they are actually rocks from a river. And then I ordered some obsidian squares. They're actually a little bit smaller than I thought. So there is 3 of them. So obsidians are very good protection stones. So I have one of these at my front door and a black tourmaline. So I ordered one for my friend, so I'll take all these 3 and then she can pick the one calling out for her. And the other 2 is going to go on my Etsy shop. By the way, all these are going to my Etsy shop, so if you like any of them, I'll put the name of my Etsy shop and the link down below so you can go and check everything out. So my next package, I think, is some of the rose stones I ordered. Yes, there's lots of clay quartz. Wow, that is a lot. So it's a big bag of clear quartz. They are like different sizes. There's a bigger one and there are some smaller ones as well. So I ordered these ones because I want to make different sets. So I've been selling a starter kit, crystal starter kit, and it seemed to be going quite well. So I decided that I think I will make an anxiety pack and some like different ones and sell it that way. So if you're interested in those as well, you can go to my Etsy. That's that. And then I think these are going to be yes, they are solar lights, so they are the same sort of there's a lot of them. Yeah, they are quite dusty at the moment because obviously they are in a pack, but solar lights are very good for anxiety. I just need to get rid of the dust on them, and that's that. Okay, this is something light, so that might be, yes, all my jewelry. Actually, I might do the jewelry later. Yeah, I'm gonna do this because there's a lot of different things in there, and so I might do that a little bit later. And then I've got amethyst little they're kind of like teeth. They just remind me of teeth. So they're like little amethyst points. They're very pretty actually. I might keep some. But yeah, it's a lot of different sizes of them. This one is darker. It's probably got a bit of citrine in it as well. Yeah, they're very pretty, so I'm going to go through these. And then I've got one more, which I think going to be Smoky Fork. I don't remember. Yes, Smoky Fork. Oh my god, yes. So it's again the same. So these are again for my they're very dusty. For the set, the anxiety and all that kind of stuff. Well, some of them are very pretty. This one is very pretty. Okay, so I got all the ones for my sets, and then this is the jewelry. Okay, so these four are little I don't even know what you call them. These little things that you can put on your phone. So they are shungite crystals, and they have the Om symbol on them. So shungite is very good to block out the I don't remember what. Again, I already said that before in a video. I'm going to put it down in the screen what the name of these energies are. That basically is the electronic stuff comes out of your phone and electronic devices, which is really, really bad for you. So shungite's blocking all that, like absorbing all the negative stuff from your phone. So these are for your phone, so you can just pop it on the back of your phone. I'm going to put them on my store as well. And the Om symbol is the symbol of universe. So if you're not sure, it's the symbol of balance and everything together. Oh, actually, I've got 4 of them. Nice. And then I ordered, actually, like, I kind of realized that amethysts and citrine are the best. Like, everyone is really, really looking into amethyst and citrine. So I already have a citrine off on my shop, but I ordered an amethyst stud earring as well. They are very pretty. So they're going up on my shop. I ordered a lot of amethyst actually. So there is amethyst necklaces. I've got 2 of these. So they're just tiny little amethyst on like a see-through, I don't know what you call this, but they're very, very cute. I ordered some Herkimer diamond earrings. I've got 2 of them. They're very cute as well. And then I did more amethyst. Oh my god, these are so pretty. They got some rainbows and everything in it. So they're little pendants, amethyst pendants. I probably will put them on a cord, like a black cord, and sell it that way. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. They're obviously all different shape. And then I've got the same in citrine as well. So the yellow, very cute. Again, I've got 5. I really like these. And then the last thing I ordered are shark teeth. So this, I think, is just such an amazing thing. I think it's 5 of these as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, really cute. So shark teeth. It's like kind of like a wrapped thing, a necklace that you can put on like some necklace and stuff. So yeah, so these is all my items I ordered today. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna come down a little bit. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you're interested in any of the crystals, the shark teeth, anything, the necklaces, the earrings, I have a lot more on my Etsy shop, so if you haven't checked it out yet, the link is down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!